Direct contact can sometimes feel intense for a child. So instead of stepping closer, we place something in between. A sock. A simple, curious friend. So take a sock. Put the sock on your hand and let it move lightly. When you speak directly, you ask, you guide, you expect a response. The sock is different. It's a peer, not an educator. Do you feel the shift? You are now the facilitator. The sock is in the center. The conversation flows through you, but not from you. The sock lowers the threshold to participate. You gain new insights without pulling for them. Does this work? Try it yourself. Then continue to the next video for another simple sock activity. Creating space so children choose to step forward on their own. That is where a puppet is really helpful. Thank you for watching.